From savannas to sierras, a tale of two adventures. I've been lucky enough to explore some of its most incredible corners. From the rugged mountains of Nepal to the scorching deserts of Africa, each journey has been a masterclass in survival and a testament to the human spirit. This time, my thirst for adventure takes me to two vastly different yet equally captivating destinations, South Africa and Spain. Imagine standing amidst the vast savannas of South Africa, the air thick with anticipation. The ground vibrates with the thunderous footsteps of elephants. A pride of lions lazes under the golden sun, their watchful gaze sweeping across the plains. Join me as we embark on a dual adventure, a journey that will take us from the heart of the African bush to the rolling hills of Spain. Prepare to immerse yourselves in diverse cultures, witness breathtaking wildlife, and experience the thrill of adventure in its purest form. The soul of the wild safari in South Africa. South Africa, a land of breathtaking contrasts, is a true safari paradise. From the iconic Kruger National Park to the lesser-known gems scattered across the country, every corner pulsates with the raw energy of the wild. The moment you set foot on African soil, you're greeted by a symphony of sounds. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, the distant roar of a lion. Kruger National Park, a vast wilderness stretching across nearly 2 million hectares, is the crown jewel of South African safaris. Here, the big five lion, leopard, elephant, rhino and buffalo roam freely, their presence a constant reminder of nature's raw power. It's a humbling experience that forces you to confront your place in the grand scheme of nature. Beyond the beaten path, unveiling South Africa's hidden gems. While Kruger National Park offers an unparalleled safari experience, South Africa is home to a treasure trove of lesser-known wildlife destinations. Addo Elephant National Park, nestled in the Eastern Cape Province, is a sanctuary for these gentle giants. Home to over 600 elephants, Addo offers a unique opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures up close and personal. Further north, in the heart of the Northwest Province, lies Madikwe Game Reserve. This malaria-free reserve boasts a remarkable comeback story, having been transformed from overgrazed farmland into a thriving wildlife sanctuary. These hidden gems provide a different perspective on South Africa's natural wonders. Section 4, A Timeless Pursuit, Hunting Traditions of Spain. From the sun-drenched plains of Africa, we shift our focus to the rugged beauty of Spain. Here, amidst the rolling hills and ancient forests, a different kind of adventure awaits, one steeped in tradition, skill and respect for the natural world. Hunting in Spain is more than just a sport. It's a deeply ingrained part of the culture, passed down through generations and woven into the fabric of rural life. From the majestic Iberian ibex that roams the Pyrenees Mountains to the elusive wild boar that inhabits the dense oak forests, Spain offers a challenging and rewarding experience for hunters of all levels. Spanish hunting is deeply intertwined with conservation efforts, playing a crucial role in managing wildlife populations and preserving biodiversity. Section 5. The thrill of the chase. Diverse hunting experiences in Spain. Spain's diverse landscapes offer a wide range of hunting experiences, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. Driven hunts, a Spanish specialty, involve a team of beaters who flush game out of the undergrowth towards waiting hunters. For those seeking a more solitary and challenging pursuit, mountain stalking offers the ultimate test of skill and endurance. This traditional hunting method involves tracking game on foot through rugged terrain, using stealth and cunning to get within shooting range. Beyond the thrill of the chase, hunting in Spain offers a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture and connect with people who share your passion for the outdoors. Section 6. Conservation and culture. A symbiotic relationship. In both South Africa and Spain, conservation and culture are inextricably linked. South Africa's national parks and game reserves are not only havens for wildlife, but also vital sources of income and employment for local communities. Similarly, in Spain, hunting is deeply intertwined with the rural economy and social fabric. By supporting ethical and conservation-minded initiatives, travelers can actively contribute to the protection of these incredible destinations for generations to come. Section 7. Embrace the journey, tips for the adventurous soul. For those inspired to embark on their own South African safari or Spanish hunting adventure, here are some practical tips to enhance your experience. Book accommodations and game drives well ahead of time, especially if traveling during peak season. Opt for neutral-colored clothing, comfortable walking shoes, and essential gear like binoculars, sunscreen, and a hat. Ensure you have the required hunting licenses and permits before embarking on your trip. Local guides possess invaluable knowledge of the terrain, wildlife behavior, and hunting regulations.